A lot of my clients tell me that they have a hard time hitting their protein goal for the day. And you know, I get it. It can be tough sometimes. But if you really try, it's really not that hard. Today, we're gonna be eating a whole day's worth of protein in one sitting. And today is also a little special because I brought a couple eaters with me. David, Pasquale, get in here.
Hello, primos. Today here we got...
Get the hell out of here.
What do we got?
350 gram steaks, lean, bacon wrapped scallops, 10 lollipopped chicken drumsticks, 2 English cucumbers.
We're gonna saute, no, just these are zucchini.
Oh, this is zucchini?
Just say we're gonna saute.
I didn't know it was a zucchini. Sauteed mushrooms. I forgot the name.
No, just be like sauteed zucchinis and mushrooms.
Yeah. What's the name of this mushroom though?
Cremini.
We got cremini, we got button.
We got cremini mushrooms, we got button mushrooms, turkey bacon, and McCain curly fries because it's delicious.
Delicious.
So, to start off, what are we gonna do? Dave, Chef Dave, what's happening?
Hey,
Never mind.
Dave's on that for the cat.
So first, what are we, this is going in the oven.
what do you want me to do?
Dave, you wanna start the barbecue?
Let's do it.
Oh my God. Okay,
Where do you want me? Just tell me where you want
you
me.
wanna start slicing the zucchini?
Okay. I'll wash them.
450. Dave, is that barbecue on? No. Slacking. We're gonna need you to lollipop these puppies as well.
Oh, video that?
Yeah, man, they gotta see how it's done. Yeah, next one. Oh yeah, just like that. And then one more right through the middle again. Yeah, just like that. Alright. And then, yeah, get that one in there. And then just cut those into little chunks, like about an inch long. Yeah. Hell no. Did you? Yeah. Little keg steak spice here. You gotta beat your meat.
Those are good to go.
Yeah, those are perfect. You wanna grab a pan to saute? We're not gonna put those on yet, but we'll get them ready. All right, Pam, this is the real action you wanna get right here. He's lollipopping those chickens.
They look like balls.
You won't find these at your local candy store.
Gotta be one like this.
What's going on?
That's put all the pressure on
Your camera shot, Dave? I think we should throw some thyme on there, rosemary.
I have Italian seasoning.
Oh shit, what'd you do?
The lollipop came
That's
off.
the lollipops.
No, but it came
Shove it
out.
back in there.
That's right. That's what you gotta do if it comes out.
You know what, like people do? They actually just take the entire chicken off. They grind it up, they add like breadcrumbs and they form it into a ball and put the stick back in. That's real lollipop chicken.
That's crazy. Grind it up.
So are you guys making any food for me now?
No.
You guys can have the scraps. As you can see, we take care of our women here.
So nice.
Bacon wrapped scallops.
Fuck, a
Here's some cold french fries.
Yeah.
No sauce.
Okay, oven's preheating. Barbecue is preheating. My hand is dirty if you're wondering why I look like this right now. Now we're gonna wrap these scallops in bacon.
One more quarter now.
David's finishing up our chicken lollipops over here. We're not gonna be using regular bacon because regular bacon is bad for your heart and full of fat. We're gonna be using turkey bacon, which is 5 grams of protein per slice, because today we're trying to get that protein intake up. So, what we're gonna do here, take a scallop, 1 whole turkey bacon per scallop. We're gonna wrap the hell out of them. I can't even see the scallop.
You could slice the bacon in half.
Yeah, but then we don't get 5 grams per serving. That's the only thing. How do we sauce these up? What's going
Take a
on?
bit of sweet chili Thai here.
Sweet chili Thai.
And then we take this siracha chili sauce. and we
Sriracha
fucking-
chili.
And we just blend it in there like that. Oh, yeah.
Oh, well. Yeah, he got a little excited. Let's go.
Content!
Oh. How's that for the viewers?
Yeah,
at
you
home?
like that? Yeah.
Filthy animal.
You have to have a prep plate.
Yo.
All right, look at that lollipop. Looks like a candy apple. These are gonna be extra hot, eh, Dave?
Yeah, some spice. You don't taste it as much once it's cooked.
Smells good.
And Willy Wonka's working away here. Oh, that one died, eh?
This one?
Yeah. Is there any bone, or is it just?
Yeah, there's a shard right there.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
A few minutes later.
What's up with the lollipops? They cooking?
Let's take a look.
Let's see how these puppies look. Oh, baby.
Wow.
All right, now it's time to get those steaks on the nice hot grill. Get them cooked up to a medium rare. You know, a little snow outside doesn't stop us from grilling. We got Dave over here sauteing our veg with a little bit of style. And now that everything's pretty much cooked, we're gonna get it all onto the plates. Scallops and bacon are done. Crispy fries, curly. Boom. Little veg, saute. Steaks are coming off the grill. It's almost time. What do we got here, Chef Dave?
Hey, Primos. We got 3 steaks here and lollipop chicken, and I'm 99% natty. Primos.
I want to go come shop there.
Boom.
Oh yeah.
Why I love you or something like that?
Oh yeah.
It's like a whole ass work and now just go out.
The veg is going on. Couple scallops and bacon here. Don't forget those curly fries. Good. Oh yeah.
It's very awesome.
Look at that.
Not normal.
Dave, what do we do? That's right.
Presentation, it looks great. How does it taste?
Pretty crazy plate. Pretty freaking crazy.
Scallops and bacon.
Wow. Should we go ahead?
Okay. See, you wanted real bacon. That's not bad.
That's sick.
That's like 8 grams of protein per bite.
Try the scallops.
They're crazy.
That's soft.
Yeah, bring two.
God damn.
I know because they have the strongest one. Well, thank you.
You guys can have them. They're actually huge. If you
No,
want
actually, I'm gonna have cereal later.
full nutrition.
We'll just take our iron pills. Yeah.
Yeah, very good.
It's delicious.
The chicken could have definitely used a little one too. If you try to serve this chicken to a black line, you're getting roasted.
So much healthier than real scallops and bacon.
So what is a scallop? Is it a fish?
It's from the ocean. It's lit.
Disgusting.
Yeah.
What are you doing with your knife?
Oh my god, it's so disgusting.
Why are you cutting it like that?
Got my way.
There it is. My breath.
Food wall.
I just breath. Breathe.
Sometimes I forget to breathe. Just inhale it. Wow.
You sure that was 200 G's? I could eat more.
We'll tally it up. I'll tally it up right after this. Probably log that, eh? Log that in the tracker. So got, what, 350 grams of steak, 6 scallops, 6 turkey bacon, 150 grams of curly fries, let's say 280 grams of chicken legs, okay, so we're looking at 189.4 grams of protein.
How much protein?
189.4 grams of protein.
That's it?
That's it, sadly.
Well, I'm at 200 now.
Yeah. All right, well, it's time to get a little digestif to help things settle a little bit.
You're the Jamaican.
5 minutes later.
There it is. Time to burn some calories playing ping pong.
Yeah, she's like, I'm not very good at ping pong.
Yeah.
Can't play under the camera, eh?
You guys suck balls.
All right, I'll spare you guys and I won't make you watch the rest of that awful ping pong game. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure that you hit that like button down below. Be sure to also subscribe so I can catch you in the next video, and leave us a comment and let us know what you want to see us cook next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.